Hey guys, welcome back to another question and answers video. The question I found, and you probably found as well because you wouldn't be here if you wouldn't have found it, is the one that you already read, so you know what the question is. Will you also know the answers? Yes, in the end of the video. So I hope you enjoy it a lot. I hope it's entertaining for you. I hope you get some knowledge. And I hope that the rest of your day and week and month and year and life goes really well. Bye bye.